Recording. So in the last lecture, we have started with concept of mole. We understood what is the purpose of AMU, atomic mass unit, which is also called as Dalton, which is also called as unified mass. Atomic mass unit is devised to measure the masses of very small entities like atom, molecules, ions, etc. And it is defined as 1/12 the mass of the carbon atom. We are defining it as 1/12 so as to obtain the masses of elements in terms of integers. You need to remember 1 to 20 elements and their respective masses. In case साथ, you need to remember the mass of iron and copper. Okay. Everyone, please put your video on. Then we have seen the reason for the mass of chlorine as 35.5 AMU. उसके बाद we have seen how to count number of particles in any given sample. Number of particles in any sample is nothing but sample mass upon atomic mass or the particles mass. If the sample is made up of atoms, we will be dividing it by atomic mass. If the sample is made up of molecules, molecular mass, ions, ionic mass, etc. उसके बाद questions किए थे हम. Whenever you are substituting, you need to substitute along with units. If the units, excuse me, if the units are given in terms of AMU, you can substitute the atomic mass in terms of AMU. If it is given in terms of grams, in that case, if you substitute AMU, we may not solve the question because in numerator you have grams and in denominator you have AMU. In order to solve this, I need to convert the AMU into gram. You can convert that using the relation 1 AMU is equals to 1 gram per mole, right? If you use this, I can convert AMU into gram per mole. So by that, I can calculate 16 grams upon 16 gram per mole and you got the answer as 1 mole. If you are taking the amount in terms of grams, always you will be getting the answer in terms of moles. क्योंकि gram जो है, it is a considerable amount. In that particular amount, you will be having huge number of atoms. You can cross-check your answer if you are doing it right or not by having these particular ideas. If you are taking the amount in terms of grams, obviously वो जो particular amount में बहुत ज़्यादा molecules रहेंगे and those particular molecules will be of the order mole. Moles में रहेंगे. Okay. We have seen what is the definition of mole. The definition of mole is nothing but the number of atoms which are exactly equal to atoms present in 12 grams of carbon sample. 1 mole is the number of entities which are exactly equal to the number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon sample. In order to find that, we have seen mass of 1 carbon atom, which is obtained by spectroscopic studies. If you divide it by mass of 1 carbon atom, the sample mass, you get the number of carbon atoms present in 12 grams sample of carbon. We got that as 6.022 into 10 power 23. This is considered as 1 mole, which is also called as Avogadro number. After that, we have seen the relation between AMU and gram and mole. Mass of 1 atom of carbon is 12U. 10 atoms will become 10 times 12U. Na atoms will become Na times 12U. Mass of Na atoms is nothing but 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms, as per the definition of mole, it has to be 12 grams. So इन दोनों को equate करने से आपको 1 AMU is equals to 1 gram per mole मिला. After that, AMU और gram के बीच में relation 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. उसके बाद we have seen a question here. They are asking us to find the mass of 1 atom of sulfur in terms of AMU and in grams. AMU के लिए 32 AMU होगा, grams के लिए just multiply 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. उसके बाद और एक logic देखा हमने. If I'm taking 1 atom, the atom's mass will be in terms of AMU. If I'm taking 1 mole of such atoms, it will be in terms of grams. The same value represented in terms of grams, right? Okay.
Yes.
और भी कुछ questions किए थे. I think I have posted these questions as a homework to you. Solve किया है? Have you solved these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If 1 mole, see the first question. If a mole were defined to be 3 into 10 power 24 instead of the Avogadro number, मतलब instead of 6.022 into 10 power 23, it is defined as 3 into 10 power 24. They're asking what would be the mass of 1 mole of argon atoms. What would be the mass of 1 mole of argon atoms? Atomic weight of argon on conventional scale is 40U. Conventional scale मतलब जैसे starting में हम पढ़ा ये जो भी सिस्टम को, AMU को, सिस्टम को और मोल सिस्टम को, on that particular conventional scale or which is defined in books, it is given as 40 AMU. They're asking what would be the mass of 1 mole of argon atoms. In this case, you need to take 1 mole as 3 into 10 power 24, but not 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay. एक एटम का मास कितना दिया है? मास ऑफ 1 एटम ऑफ आर्गन कितना दिया है?
40U.
40U. It is given as 40U. So what would be the mass of 1 mole of argon atoms? In this case, that 1 mole is not 6.022. It is 3 into 10 power 24. Okay. Will be equal to
14 to 1 mole.
1 mole into 40U. But यहाँ पे mole के place में you should not substitute 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay. You need to substitute 3 into 10 power 24. So क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? 3 into 10 power 24 into 40U. Can I write this? Or else I can multiply if I want this in terms of grams. It is 3 into 10 power 24 into 40 into 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. Agreed? 10 raised to 24, 10 raised to minus 24 cancel hoga. 3 into 40 is 120, 120 into 1.66. What is the answer for this? $199 कुछ तो आना चाहिए.
199.2.
199.2 grams. Okay. Is that clear? You can also do the same question in a different way. Conventional scale में. On conventional scale, everyone. What is the mass of 1 mole of argon? On conventional 40 gram, very good. On conventional scale, 1 mole mass will be equals to 40 gram per mole. ऐसा कुछ लिख सकते हैं ना? इस केस में मोल 6.022, ए वाला मोल भी 6.022 वाला. So cancel, okay, you will get 40 grams. Okay. Or else 6.022 into 10 power 23. 1 मोल मतलब इतना है ना कन्वेंशनल स्केल में. इसका मास कितना दिया है? 40 grams. Now they are asking mass of how many atoms? 3 into 10 power 24. So 6.022 into 10 power 23 का 40 grams है तो 3 into 10 power 24 atoms का mass कितना होगा? You can do this by unitary method. This divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 40. Unitary method में वही करते हैं आप लोग. This upon this into this. Okay. So which becomes 3 into 10 power 24 divided by 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 40. Okay. So this is यहाँ पे 10 times होगा. यहाँ पे देखो 3 ones. This is almost 2 times. Okay. Which is 400 upon 2, which is equal to 200. But this is 6.022, hence you will get the answer as 199.2. In both cases, you got the answer as 199.2 grams. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
एक तो डायरेक्ट किया मैंने, डायरेक्टली दे हैव गिवन दैट एज 40u एक का 3 into 10 power 24 का पूछ रहे, सो आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड दैट बाय 3 into 10 power 24. ग्राम्स में आने के लिए आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड AMU by 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. और you can calculate it as 1 mole का मास 40 grams है, 1 mole मतलब कन्वेंशनल स्केल में 3.022 into 10 power 23, 3 into 10 power 24 का मास कितना होगा? क्लियर? Is this question clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please put your video on. Next question. Please put your video on. Yeah. Next question. If the atomic mass unit U were defined to be 1/5 of the mass of the carbon atom, what would be the atomic mass of nitrogen on this new scale? They are not defining it as 1/12. हमने starting में ऐसा कुछ पढ़ा. It is defined as 1/12 so as to obtain the masses of each and every element in terms of integers. If I am defining it as 1/12, then the mass of nitrogen will be 14 times of AMU. Now I am defining it as 1/5 but not 1/12. Yeah, Yogeshwar. Any doubt?
सर वो कल आपने होमवर्क दिया था ना, एक से
अच्छा,
एक क्वेश्चन का कुछ तो
You are not audible. फिर से
वो
बताना.
कैसे करने का?
फिर से बताओ
सर वो
योगेश्वर.
क्वेश्चन कैसे करने का?
There is
आपने
some
कल एक होमवर्क दिया था ना, वो
Okay.
एक सेकंड में एक क्वेश्चन का.
Sorry, once again repeat. You are not audible. There is some
सर
lag.
आपने कल होमवर्क दिया था ना,
हाँ.
एक सेकंड में एक क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हैं टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ वर्ल्ड,
हाँ. Yeah. That one.
वो वाला क्वेश्चन कैसे करने का?
Okay. वो समझाता हूँ. पहले ये हो जाने दो, समझाता हूँ. Okay.
हाँ सर.
वो अटेम्प्ट किया क्या किसी ने? कितना टाइम लगता है? ठीक है, we will look into that. पहले क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. If the atomic mass unit U were defined to be 1/5 but not 1/12, what would be the atomic mass on this new scale? Any answer? New students? All new students, put your video on first of all. जो भी new students है पहले वो लोग video on रखो. Once please put your video on. Everyone, you can put your video off later. All new students who are attending mole concept for the first time, please put your video on.
इसमें कैमरा नहीं है.
कैमरा नहीं है, इट्स ओके जी. बाकी लोग you can put your video on. Please put your video on for 2 minutes. एक बार देख लेता हूँ कौन कौन नए हैं. या हेलो सुमिता.
Hello, sir.
और बाकी लोग. ओके. ओके, आप लोग को समझ में आ रहा है ना हम जो भी कर रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you solved this question? Anyone? New students? Smith, या Sumedha, Ishita, Aditya. What is the answer for this?
5.8 something.
5.8 something. Very good. बाकी लोग?
Sir, 33.61.
13 point आया क्या आपको? कितना? 32. ओके. सुमेधा 32 आया क्या?
33.6.
33 point. ओके. That is also one of the answer usually students get, but that's not the right answer. That is the common mistake they do. Uh, any other answer? Baki log, Smith, Ishita. Okay. What is the definition of new AMU? उसको U dash मान लेते हैं. U dash is defined as 1/5 times mass of carbon 12. What is the initial AMU? U is equals to actual definition 1/12 times mass of carbon 12. Irrespective of the definition of U and U dash, the mass of carbon 12 will remain same. उसका तो change नहीं होगा ना? Agreed. So if I divide U dash upon U, what will I get? 1/5 divided by 1/12. Mass of carbon atom cancel हो जाएगा because in both the cases the mass of carbon atom is same, which is equals to 12 upon 5. So what will be U dash equal to? 12 upon 5 U, or what will be U equal to? 5 upon 12 U dash. Agreed? Okay. On conventional scale, atomic mass of nitrogen कितना दिया है? 14 U. Atomic mass of nitrogen is equal to 14 U, but you need to get the answer in terms of U dash. You need to get the answer in terms of new scale. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen on this scale? मतलब 1/5 वाला part में. मतलब you need to get the answer in terms of U dash. So substitute 5/12 U dash in place of U. We already know the relation between U and U dash. So substitute कर लेना. कितना आएगा ये? 7 times 6 times 35 upon 6. 35 upon 6, which is equal to कितना आता है ये? 5.83 I guess.
Yes.
Okay, it is 5.83 U dash. 33 point तभी आएगा if you are multiplying 14 into 12 upon 5. वो नहीं करना है. It is 14 into 5 upon 12 U dash. और else इसके लिए एक लॉजिक मैंने स्टार्टिंग में समझाया आपको जब फर्स्ट टाइम पढ़ा था. U dash is 1/5 times mass of carbon 12. U is 1/12 times mass of carbon 12. Which is a greater value? 1/5 वाला और 1/12 वाला?
1/5 वाला.
1/5 वाला. If this is the larger value, in order to express mass, you will be having or you need a lesser value. मतलब क्या है? Suppose you have a 100 kg weight. You need to express this in terms of 20 kg and in terms of 50 kg. Okay. If this is one of the unit, this is the other unit. In terms of this 20 kg, इसको U मान लेते हैं, इसको U dash मान लेते हैं. In terms of 20 kg, it is 5U. In terms of 50 kgs, it will be only 2U dash. This being a larger value, the number which I need to multiply will be a smaller one. In order to express same 100 kg, I need only 2 times U dash. If I want to express this 100 kg in terms of U, I need 5 times U. Agreed? Similarly, this being a larger value, I will be requiring a smaller number. 5.83 काफी होगा, मतलब 14 से आंसर कम होना चाहिए. Conventional scale में the value is 14, but on this new scale, this being a larger value, it should be lesser than 14. The answer can never be greater than 14. It will be lesser than 14. समझा? Everyone, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next question. What is the answer for this? If m atoms of X weigh 15 grams and 4 m atoms of Z, whose atomic weight is 30U, weighs 45 grams, determine the atomic weight of X. What is the answer for this? What is the answer? Anyone? 40U. Okay,
Yes,
40,
sir.
40U is right on. Okay, 40U is right answer. Very good. What is the atomic weight of Z? It is given as 30U. Okay. Atomic weight of Z is equals to 30U. What is the mass of 4m atoms? Mass of 4m atoms of Z will be equal to 4m times 30U. Any doubt? Which is given as how much? 45 grams. Okay. In place of U, can I substitute gram per mole? ऐसा क्यों सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूं? बिकॉज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड यू हैव दैट इन टर्म्स ऑफ ग्राम्स, इसलिए ग्राम पर मोल सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. सो ग्राम और ग्राम कैंसिल होगा. यू विल 15 2 times, 15 3 times, और m is equals to 3/8 मोल हो जाएगा. एनी डाउट?
हाँ सर.
And they're saying m atoms of X weigh 15 grams. Mass of m atoms of X कितना दिया है? 15 grams दिया है. What is the mass of m atoms of X? Can I say it is m times atomic weight of X?
Yes.
M times atomic weight of X must be equal to 15 grams. What is m? 3/8 mole into atomic weight of X must be equal to 15 gram. Any doubt? So from this, what is atomic weight of X? What is atomic weight of X? 15 into 8 upon 3 gram per mole,
Yes.
which is equal to 40 gram per mole. 40 gram per mole मतलब क्या हो गया? 40U.
हाँ.
Any doubt, anyone?
No sir.
I hope this is clear. Information जो भी दिया उसको लिखते गया मैं. They have given the 4m atoms weight as 45 grams, and they have given the atomic weight of Z. So I have multiplied that 4m into atomic weight, and I have equated this to 45 grams. As we know that 1 AMU is 1 gram per mole, I have substituted this. What is the reason for that? Because this is given in terms of grams. So ये भी हमको grams में ही चाहिए. So gram में substitute किया, we got the value of m. Once you got the value of m, I have calculated the mass of m atoms of X using mass into molecular weight. Sorry, mass into atomic weight. Sorry, mass nahi, number of atoms into atomic weight. From there, I have equated this to 15 grams, and I got the atomic weight of X as 40 gram per mole. 1 gram per mole is nothing but 1 AMU, so which is 40U. Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. Everyone, please put your video on. सब लोग ऑफ कर दिया. Please put your video on. Okay. Next, we will move to the analysis of molecules. What is a molecule? A molecule is nothing but group of atoms. And you are having group of atoms. The reason for that is because of bonds between the atoms. We will be understanding what is meant by bond in the next chapter, chemical bonding chapter mein. But a molecule is formed because of bonds, and because of the bonds you will be having a group of atoms which is called as molecule. It is of two types, homoatomic and heteroatomic. Homoatomic matlab the molecule which is made up of similar type of atoms. Example, you can take O2, F2, H2, etc. Or you can take S8, sulfur ka molecule S8. Heteroatomic matlab where you will be having atoms of more than one element, like H2O, HCl, H2SO4. All these are examples for heteroatomic molecules. Let us see how to analyze molecules. Suppose if I have one O2 molecule, what does that mean? What do I mean by one O2 molecule? Can I say it is nothing but two atoms of O,
Yes.
two atoms of oxygen? If I
Yes.
have 10 O2 molecules, that is nothing but 10 into 2 atoms of O. मतलब total कितना हो गया? 20.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
1 mole of O2 molecules मतलब क्या होगा? 1 mole into 2 atoms of O,
Yes.
which is equal to 2 mole atoms of oxygen. Is that clear? 2 mole atoms of oxygen का मतलब क्या है? Which is equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 part 23 oxygen atoms. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anyone? 1 mole of O2 molecules का मतलब क्या है? You have 2 mole of oxygen atoms. 2 mole of oxygen atoms मतलब 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 oxygen atoms. Clear है?
Yes. हाँ, sir.
Okay. What is meant by one CO2 molecule? You have one carbon atom
2 oxygen.
plus 2 oxygen atoms. All these are obvious, but जिनको कुछ doubt है, please understand them. 10 CO2 molecules मतलब 10 carbon atoms plus 20 oxygen atoms.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last 10 mole of CO2 molecules. Nothing but 10 mole carbon atoms. I hope this is clear. 10 mole carbon atoms plus how many mole of oxygen? 20 mole oxygen
20
atoms.
mole oxygen atoms.
Is this clear, everyone? Any
Yes,
doubts?
sir.
Okay. Next, molecular mass. What is meant by atomic mass? Atomic mass is nothing but mass of one atom of any element. What would be molecular mass? It is the mass of one molecule of any given compound, which is equal to sum of masses of all the atoms present in the molecule. As an example, if I take Yeah, it got disconnected. कहाँ तक सुना आप लोग?
सर HCl
HCl का molecular mass ना? What is
हाँ.
molecular mass? Molecular mass is sum of masses of all the atoms present in the molecule. So if you have HCl, in the HCl you have one atom of hydrogen, one atom of chlorine. So the molecular mass becomes mass of hydrogen atom plus mass of chlorine atom, which is 1 AMU plus 35.5 AMU, which is 36.5 AMU. I want you to calculate fast, take 5 minutes, calculate the masses of all these molecules. Find the molecular mass, then we will go to the analysis of molecules. अभी हमने atoms का analysis पढ़ा. If you are having the sample as atoms, the number of atoms is sample mass upon atomic mass. Now we will be analyzing the sample which is made up of molecules. For that, you need to know how to calculate molecular mass. Please calculate all these values. Take 5 minutes. We will cross check. Fast. Is it done? कौन सा क्वेश्चन पे हैं आप लोग?
Ninth.
9th अभी भी? ओके ओके, करो जल्दी करो. डिस्कस करें. ओके, प्लीज टेल मी द मासेस. H2SO4 का मास कितना है आपको?
98.
98.
वेरी गुड, इट इज 98 AMU. HCl ऑलरेडी हमने किया है, which is 36.5 AMU. HNO3
63.
63 AMU. Good.
63.
H2CO3
62. 62.
सबको वही आया ना, 62.
हाँ सर.
H3PO4
98.
98. 98.
okay, good. NaOH
40.
NaOH is 40. It has to be 40 AMU. Sodium 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. CaOH twice
74.
74.
74 AMU. Okay. NaCl
58.5.
58.5 AMU.
very good, 58.5 AMU. Na2CO3
106 AMU.
106.
106 AMU. Calcium carbonate
100 AMU.
CaCl2
111 AMU.
111 AMU. Good.
Yes.
Sucrose, the formula of sucrose is C12H22O11. Glucose is C6H12O6, and urea is NH2CO NH2. Urea is the first organic compound that was synthesized in laboratory. Okay. Okay. Sucrose. Answer.
342 AMU.
Very good. Glucose
180 AMU.
180.
180 AMU. Urea
60.
60 AMU.
60.
okay. KCl dot MgCl2 dot 6H2O. The name of this compound is carnallite. It is an ore, carnallite ore. Okay. What is an ore? Ore is one from which metal can be extracted. Okay. This is carnallite ore. The formula is KCl dot MgCl2 dot 6H2O. The dot indicates these compounds are together. KCl, MgCl2, ये दोनों साथ में है because of some forces of attraction. And 6 water molecules are also together with these because of some forces of attraction. Okay. So you should not dot का मतलब ये नहीं है आपको multiply करना है. This is not maths. These are together. So KCl का, MgCl2 का, 6H2O का, सबका add कर लेना. What is the mass you got?
277.5.
277.5.
5.
Very good. 277.5 AMU. करना क्या है? You need to add the masses of all the atoms present in the molecule. BSO4.
233.
233.
233 AMU. Good. FeSO4 dot NH4 twice SO4 dot 6H2O. This particular compound is called as Mohr salt.
Mohr salt.
Okay. Mohr salt. What is the answer for this?
392.
392.
392.
392 AMU. Okay, good. So let us go to the analysis of molecules then. If I want to calculate the number of molecules in a given sample, what can I do? Is sample mass divided by
Molecular mass.
molecular mass or molecular weight. Okay. Once you know the number of molecules, you can analyze the number of atoms of each element. मतलब क्या है? If you know the number of molecules as 10, then I can analyze the number of atoms of carbon and number of atoms of oxygen. Because each molecule is having 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. So 10 में 10 atoms of carbon, 20 atoms of oxygen हो जाएंगे. So whenever you are asked or whenever you are given the sample as molecules, first you need to calculate the number of molecules. From that data, you can calculate the number of atoms of each element. Okay. यहाँ पे एक question दिया है आपको. The question is you are having 2 samples. Both the samples are of glucose. Glucose का ही samples है. Sample A का mass है 5400 AMU. Sample B का mass है 5400 grams. I want you to find number of molecules of glucose in each sample, sample A and sample B. Once you do that, you need to find number of atoms of each element in both the samples. The elements present in glucose are, what are the elements?
C6H12O6.
So you have carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So you need to tell me the number of atoms of carbon, number of atoms of hydrogen and number of atoms of oxygen. Yeah,
Yes.
go ahead. Go ahead and calculate. Excuse me. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया या कैसे करना है? What you need to do is, first you need to calculate the number of molecules. Suppose if I'm taking sample A, let's start with sample A. What will be the number of molecules? Number of molecules N will be equal to sample mass, which is 5400 AMU divided by the molecular mass of glucose is, where भी आप लोग ने calculate किया, it is 180 U, which is going to be equal to 30, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have 30 molecules. Okay, 30 molecules में से C6 H12 O6. How to do the analysis? If you have one molecule of C6 H12 O6, you have 6 carbon atoms
12.
plus 12 hydrogen atoms plus 6 oxygen atoms. Agreed? So if you have 30 molecules, then you will have 30 into 6 carbon plus 30 into 12 hydrogen
Yes.
plus 30 into 6
Six.
oxygen,
Oxygen atoms.
which is going to be equal to how much? 180 कार्बन है आपके पास सैंपल ए में प्लस
360.
360.
हाइड्रोजन प्लस 180 ऑक्सीजन
160.
हो गया.
Yes.
We are done with both the questions. Calculate the number of atoms of each element, calculate number of molecules. Okay, sample B में the sample B's mass is given in terms of grams. If you are given in terms of grams, the number of molecules will be in terms of moles. Okay, because the weight is very large, considerable amount. It is how much? 5400 grams है क्या? हाँ. It is 5400 gram divided by 180. You should put this now in terms of gram per mole, but not in terms of AMU. तभी आपको ग्राम और ग्राम कैंसिल होगा, which will be equal to 30 mole. Agreed? Now do
Yes,
the
sir.
analysis as, suppose if I have 1 mole of C6 H12 O6, what can you comment? You have 6 mole carbon plus 12 mole hydrogen. Agreed? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Plus 6 mole oxygen.
Oxygen.
Very good. So if you are having 30 mole of 30 mole मतलब क्या है? 30 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 उतना ही है. Will be equal to 30 into
6.
6 mole carbon plus 30 into 12 mole hydrogen plus 30 into 6 mole oxygen. टोटल कितना हो गया? अगेन 180 मोल है इस बार. 180 मोल कार्बन, 360 मोल हाइड्रोजन,
180 mole oxygen.
180 मोल ऑक्सीजन. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. I have given you some questions here. Please solve these questions as homework. These questions, I will discuss the next question. I will be discussing this question. Rest of the questions, please solve this as homework. इसके अलावा कल एक चीज के बारे में डिस्कस किया हमने. If a person is able to eat 1 mango per second and if you are having 1 mole of mangoes, interesting है ये देखो. You have 1 mole of mangoes and you can eat 1 mango per second. What is the time required to eat 1 mole of mangoes? कितना होगा? आपको क्या लग रहा है? 10 दिन, 1 year, 100 years? Can we eat in our lifetime?
नहीं.
नहीं. If we take देख लेते हैं. If I am taking 10 billion people, okay, 10 billion people मतलब you have 10 into billion मतलब 10 power 9 है, which is equal to you have 10 power 10 population. Okay, 1 mole मतलब 6.022 into 10 power 23 हो गया. एक मैंगो के लिए 1 सेकंड लग रहा है. 6.022 into 10 power 23 के लिए कितना सेकंड्स लगेगा? उतना ही होगा. 6.022 into 10 power 23 seconds. Okay. If I am using 10 power 10 people, तब कितना सेकंड्स लगेगा? This is for 1 person ना. तब कितना लगेगा?
6 into 10 power 13.
6 into 10 power 13 time taken by 10 power 10 people equal to 6.022. I need to divide this by 10 power 10, which is equal to 6 मान लेते हैं. 6.022 को 6 into 10 power 13 seconds. 6 into 10 power 13 seconds मतलब if I want to convert this into hours, I need to divide this by, पहले मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. 10 power 13 ना, पहले मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. डिवाइडेड बाय 60 seconds will be equal to minutes. Agreed? If I want to convert this into hours, I need to again divide this by 60. This will be the hours. If I want to convert this into days, I need to divide this by 24. Okay. If I want to convert this into years, I need to divide this by 365 ना. Okay. Suppose मान लेते हैं 1 year में, let us take 1000 days. Let us define a new year which is 1000 days. Calculation easy करने के लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ ये. I am defining 1000 days in an year. Similarly, I am defining not 60. I am defining 100 seconds per minute. I am defining 100 minutes per hour. Okay. I am defining 100 days. Sorry, 100 hours per day. Okay. Calculation easy करने के लिए सब 100 कर लिया मैंने. कितना जीरो से 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 है. If I am dividing this by 10 power 9, तब कितना आएगा?
6 into 10 power 4.
6 into 10 power 4, which is equal to 60,000 ना? Yeah, which
Yes.
is equal to 60,000 years. तभी भी 60,000 years लग रहे हैं. Entire of the
आम्हाला रेग्युलर मतलब 16 to 24 वो वाला
sorry क्या हुआ?
सर अगर ओरिजिनल टाइम यूज किया तो इट टेक्स समथिंग 19 लाख इयर्स.
हाँ तब और भी ज्यादा होगा. मैं तो अभी ये सबको बढ़ा लिया. I have taken 100 seconds, I have taken 100 minutes per hour, I have taken 100 hours per day. Okay, I am making the day, length of the day very very large. तब जाके आपको क्या 60,000 hours आ रहे हैं तभी भी. Please understand how large a mole is. 6.022 into 10 power 23 उतना बड़ा है. The entire human population is trying to eat a mango per second. Then also it is taking more than they are taking more than 60,000 years to complete that. Okay, if you take 18 gram of water, 18 gram H2O, which can be filled in a bottle. Okay, 18 gram मतलब बहुत कम है. उस बॉटल में ही आपको 6.022 into 10 power 23 मॉलिक्यूल्स आ जाएगा, फिट हो जाएगा. ओके, 18 ग्राम मतलब कितना हो गया? इसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, गिवन वेट अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ वाटर इज 18 ग्राम पर मोल. ग्राम ग्राम कैंसिल होगा, विच इज इक्वल्स टू 1 मोल. एक छोटा सा बॉटल में इतना ज्यादा मॉलिक्यूल्स फिट हो रहे. 6.022 into 10 power 23. The entire human population are unable to eat that many mangoes in 60,000 years. समझ में आ रहा है ये वाला बात? 1 mole is a huge number. Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Solve this question. You can take these questions as homework. We will discuss these questions in tomorrow's lecture. Solve these questions now. Mass of one molecule of H2SO4 in AMU and in grams. Fast. AMU में already पता है हमें.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me, Smith.
sir, in last question about calculating number of atoms of each element and that, sir, you converted it in mole, but I first converted gram into AMU and then calculated.
But तब बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत हो जाएगा ना. मतलब you are converting this into AMU मतलब क्या कर रहे हैं? You are, what are you doing here?
Multiplying by 1.66 into 10 power 24.
You are multiplying this क्या? You are multiplying this by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 24.
No, sir, gram.
1 gram is 1.66. Sorry, 1 AMU is 1.66 into 10 raised to 10 raised to minus 24 grams. Not the other way. So यहाँ पे तुमको 1.66 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना चाहिए ना.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, समझा?
Yes.
Solve and do the analysis in terms of grams only. Convert AMU into grams. You can use gram per mole wala. Unless and until they're asking the answer exclusively in terms of grams, like in this particular question. In this question, they're asking what is the mass of molecule of H2SO4 in grams. Then only use the relation 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. मतलब यहाँ पे molecular weight of H2SO4 already हमें कितना बता? 98 U.
98. Yes.
ग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई दिस 98 by 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. Do this. You will get the answer in terms of grams. अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आए तो तभी use that relation, or else always use 1 AMU is equals to 1 gram per mole. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. What is the answer? 98 into 1.66 कितना आता है?
162.68 into 10 raised to minus 24.
162 कितना? 160
162.68.
0.68. Okay.
10 raised to minus 24.
10 raised to minus 24.
Grams. So you're not audible.
Got disconnected. Give me 2 minutes. The next question is, you are given a question, you are given a drug, which is cisplatin, which is used for treating tumors. This particular drug is very important. You will be directly asked in your NEET exams, which of the following is a drug used for treating cancers or used for treating tumors? Okay. It is cisplatin. There are two forms of platin. One is called cis and the other is called trans. There are two drugs, cisplatin or transplatin karke. Cisplatin is used for treating cancer. Okay. We will be understanding the structure of this particular molecule, the structure of this molecule in the chapter of coordination compounds. Very, very important to analyze the structure as well. Avikelia, the question is, they're simply asking the mass of one molecule of cisplatin in AMU and in grams. You are given the atomic weight of platinum as 195 MU. Quickly solve the question. Everyone try to remember this particular formula, will be useful later on. कितना आया? What is the answer in terms of AMU?
300.
300 MU.
300.
300 MU is the right answer. In terms of grams, what you need to do? 300 into
Multiply by
1.16
into 10 raised to
minus 24.
good. So 300 into 1.66. How much is it?
498.
498 है ना?
into.
It is
Yes.
498. Gauri, it is 498. 488 नहीं, एक बार cross check करना. 498 into 10 raised to
498
minus 24 grams, or it is 4.98.
10 raised to minus 22.
Is that clear?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Okay. This question, next question. These are some standard questions asked in NEET, JEE Mains, first level exams, CET. एस्पिरिन फॉर्मूला दिया है, एस्पिरिन का फॉर्मूला आपको याद भी रखना है बिकॉज वी हैव द पर्टिकुलर मॉलिक्यूल इन आवर सिलेबस. Here I have given you the formula which is C9H8O4. बाद में we will be seeing in organic chemistry how the aspirin molecule is manufactured. So remember this particular formula C9H8O4 aspirin. They're asking how many oxygen atoms are there in a tablet weighing 360 milligrams. The weight of the tablet is 360 milligrams and the tablet is made up of aspirin. ये जो 360 milligrams है, this is nothing but sample mass.
Yes, sir.
And the sample is made up of aspirin molecules. So if I want to find number of C9H8O4 will be equal to sample mass upon molecular
mass.
weight of C9H8O4. कितना आया है उसका molecular weight? Milligrams. Milligrams is 10 raised to minus 3 grams divided by what is the molecule? 180. It is 180 AMU or 180 gram per mole. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
So this is twice gram cancel होगा, which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole. Okay. If you have one molecule of aspirin, one C9H8O4, you have 4 oxygen atoms. If you are having 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole, oxygen atoms कितना होगा? 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole into 4 atoms.
Yes.
कितना हो गया? Which is equal to 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
यहाँ पे ऐसा क्यों किया मैंने? First they have given the mass of aspirin. The mass of aspirin is given as 360 milligrams. If you are given the mass of aspirin, I can calculate only aspirin molecules first. Once you know the number of molecules of aspirin, from the analysis of molecular formula, I can calculate the number of atoms of each element. This mass is not of oxygen, so don't divide 360 milligrams by atomic mass of oxygen. This is the mass of aspirin. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, there are few more questions. I will post all of these questions. We will, in the next lecture, we will be starting with chemical reactions. Please take these questions as homework. We will be discussing them in Friday's lecture. Tomorrow we don't have chemistry lecture. We will be discussing them in Friday's lecture. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
sir. Okay, sir.
Solve all these questions. सारे questions करके रखो. First we will discuss the doubts and then we will go to the next part.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.